In today's video, I'm going to show you a villa project that's very different to what you typically see in Phuket. This is Punyisa Villas, and if you're somebody who cares about attention to detail, craftsmanship, and actually building a home rather than buying a property, then you're going to want to watch this video all the way through, because what makes this villa project unique isn't the villas themselves, but it's the people behind them. Welcome to Punyisa Villas. Many of the villa projects we see in Phuket today follow a very similar cookie-cutter type formula. However, Punyisa Villas is quite the opposite. Everything that you're about to see inside this stunning villa is designed with intent by one of the most talented interior designers and architects in all of Southeast Asia. The mastermind behind Punyisa Villas is Mary Pakamard, who has been working in the Phuket property market for decades. And she is, without doubt, one of the most talented artistic minds that I've ever had the pleasure of working with. So without further ado, let's head inside the Panisa show villa. From the moment you step inside this villa, you can feel the quality, the love, and the passion that have been put into the design and the construction process. Now, everything in this villa has been custom made, from the furniture to the art on the walls, and it's also worth noting that Mary's family have a construction business, so everything is in-house, which is really, really important. So before we start showing you the beautiful kitchen area, I want to show you something that, quite frankly, I wouldn't show you in most other villa projects: the guest bathroom. Follow me. So this guest bathroom really is a beautiful feature of this villa. When we step inside, it's like being inside some sort of boutique five-star hotel. We've got really, really attractive artwork on the wall. This sofa down by the side. I also really love this tiling on the back wall here. This gorgeous white marble finish on the sink, and out the back here we've got a sort of a Zen garden as well. So this bathroom is definitely one of the most beautiful I've seen on the island. It's quite often the guest bathroom is just an extra feature that's thrown in there, right? This is a special feature without doubt. And as we come out here, we've got a beautiful sort of feature wall here that's actually storage, so you can put your shoes and things in there. So the entrance foyer in here is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Plenty of space that takes us over to this sunken seating area. Now, as I mentioned, all of the furniture here is custom made. Mary, before she started developing villas, she was in the furniture business, and she's got her very own furniture company here in Phuket. So when you buy the furniture package at Panisa, you're not just getting, a few chairs and a few standard cookie cutter beds. You're getting bespoke made furniture. If you want this to be green, you can have it green. If you want these sofas and these chairs to be blue, you can change that. I mean, just look at these light shades. It's absolutely beautiful. The attention to detail is second to none. So that's the living area at the front. I mean, even this table, look at that. It's like something out of an art gallery, isn't it? It's absolutely stunning. Now, follow me up to the back here. we've got this sort of nice divider that splits the room in two almost. Up at the top here, we've got a huge table, perfect for socializing. We've got the spinning Lazy Susan in the middle, very popular with the Chinese community when they're buying villas over in Thailand. And at the back here, this actual kitchen is one of the finest that I've seen anywhere. This island is one piece of stone, absolutely enormous, very stylishly done. And as we move to the back here, we've got a large fridge, of course. We've got a wine cooler for those wine lovers amongst you. And again, it's a very social kitchen. You can be cooking here at the back. You've got the family relaxing down there, the kids in the pool. And if you do like wine, guys, this is one wine cooler, but this is a point that really needs talking about. Follow me over here. Now, the owner of this villa had this wine room custom built. And that's another important point. If you want a gym, if you want a large office, if you want anything putting into your villa, these guys can make it happen. You're not just buying a cookie cutter villa, you're buying a custom built home. So let's have a look inside this wine cellar. Wow. Very stylishly done. I mean, somebody is obviously a fan of this one. I'm not sure how many bottles this could hold, but you could definitely have a couple of good parties if you stocked this up. So let's take a look out the back to the maids area and the Thai kitchen. This way. So around the back here, we've actually got a service entrance, so the maid can enter through here. And we've also got another kitchen, which is quite common in Thailand for large properties. We've got a cooker over here and a window at the back, so you can cook all the spicy food and the fish and things such as that in this back area. And we also have a maid's room here and a bathroom if you want to have live-in help. So that's the main living space. Let's head back through here and just take another look at that. Without doubt, one of the most beautiful looking living spaces that we've covered on this channel so far. So this villa has 5 bedrooms. Let's go and have a look at them. But before we do, I think I need to show you the pool outside. One of the aspects of Punyisa Villas that I absolutely love is the size and the scale of their plots. We see some villa projects in Phuket that have got small little 400-500 square meter plot sizes with pools the size of bathtubs. Panisa is quite the opposite. As you can see, this is a large plot of land. This particular land plot is 1,800 square meters, but they've got land plots as large as 3,500 square meters if you really do want a big space. So obviously that leaves plenty of space for a beautiful swimming pool. I love the emerald green tiles that they're using on this, and actually on an evening, the lights make it look absolutely amazing, very atmospheric. Over this side, we've got a very stylishly put together kitchen, great for entertaining. We've got some more space down here with a large table. Down there, you could put a couple of sofas, and around the back here, we've got another small area with a barbecue at the back and a dining table. So there is plenty of space if you want to host a birthday party or a small event at your villa. So like I say, the outdoor space is definitely designed with intent, like everything else in this villa. So that's the outdoor space. Let's have a look at the 5 bedrooms this way. So there's a clear sense of separation between the sleeping area and the living area behind me. So let's go inside here and take a look at the 5 bedrooms. So here we are inside the first of 5 uniquely designed bedrooms with custom designed artwork on the wall, and just look at this feature wall on the back, which has been custom made, handmade by Mary and her team. You can feel all of the grooves in there. It's been hand painted. This certainly isn't something that you would find in most villa projects in Phuket. What I also love is that all of the bedrooms have got access to some sort of garden space outside. So we can slide this open and you're surrounded by greenery. Now, the bedroom next door is a very, very similar size, but again, a unique design. Follow me. Here we are in bedroom number 2, which has its own unique design. Again, a beautiful feature wall at the back here, which has of course been handmade. We've got access to a small garden out the back here. Now, all of the bedrooms inside this villa are of course en suite. Let me show you the bathroom. Now, the tiles that they've used inside this bathroom are absolutely enormous. Look, they're going all the way down to the floor, all the way up to the ceiling. Now, anybody who's in the construction or the property industry will tell you that tiles of that size, they're not very easy to find and they don't come cheap. I'm told that they're the same tiles that they use in the Amman Hotel, so no expense spared. Let's have a look at bedroom number 3. Okay, so follow me to bedroom number 3, again with its own unique design. We've got some beautiful custom-made artwork on the walls. I like the cupboards in here as well. They're very, very popular in several villa projects. We've got small gaps here, which is very, very good to let your clothes breathe. And we've also, of course, got access to the pool area, so you can slide open this door and jump in the swimming pool when you wake up on a morning. So, and again, a very, very stylish, uniquely designed bedroom. We've got 2 more to go. So let's have a look at bedroom number 4. And I didn't mention there's a beautiful study for me to show you as well. So here we are inside the stylish home office where my business partner James is getting on with some work. I love this stylish bookcase here, of course, custom made. We've got a gorgeous dark green sofa and it is surrounded by greenery with this nice sort of rock piece in the middle. A very, very productive workspace, I'm sure. So let's go and have a look at bedroom number 4. So here we are inside bedroom number 4, which has a very traditional Asian feel to it. We've got the same cupboards here as we had in the previous bedroom that allow your clothes to breathe. Some beautiful traditional Asian style art pieces. I love this sideboard, very, very stylish. And this bedroom gives us a view of the beautiful swimming pool outside. And as you can see, it's starting to rain, so we're going to have to wait to get our drone footage done. But before we do, let me show you the pièce de résistance. The master bedroom in this villa is without doubt the most stunning master bedroom I have ever seen. Let's go and take a look. Just look at this, guys. As you walk in, you really get a sense of scale. This big, big wooden pitched roof, this enormous bed. You've got a large sofa at the back overlooking that gorgeous pool. It even looks good when it's raining, doesn't it? We've got another one of these traditional Asian sideboards here. This tapestry on the wall was handmade by Mary and her team, and it's actually a shot of Mary in the Himalayas. So that really gives you a sense of the love, the passion, and the thought that has been put into every single detail in this project. Now, we've got big doors that open up onto the pool here. Down the side here, We've got a beautiful space, great for morning coffee or reading a book. And out the back, some very, very mature landscaped gardens. So it's an absolutely gorgeous space. Let's go this way and have a look at the walk-in wardrobe. Look at the amount of storage space here. This is one of the most beautiful walk-in wardrobes I've ever seen. If you come over this way, you can see when we open this up, we've got that beautiful dark green tone inside. Of course, we've got lighting in and holes inside here again to let your clothes breathe. Plenty of space for him and for her. And the bathroom space in this villa is, quite frankly, one of the most beautiful bathrooms I have ever seen. Just look at this bathtub. It's like a picture frame, isn't it? You've got all of that mature landscape gardens. You've got this gorgeous standalone raised bathtub. These beautiful stones. It looks to me actually like this might be jade or something like that. I'd have to ask a gem expert to verify that. But whatever it is, you could soak for hours inside this bathtub, just surrounded by this beautiful, beautiful greenery. Again, a custom-made bit of furniture here in the middle. I'm not sure I would ever want to leave my bathroom if I lived in this villa. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. So if you're looking for a villa in Phuket that's a little bit more unique, more custom built from a family-orientated business, then Punyisa Villas are definitely worth considering. With large plot sizes and various locations around the north of Phuket near key international schools, Punyisa Villa prices start from just 66 million Thai baht, which I'm sure you'll agree is an absolute bargain for something of this quality. Now, if you would like more information or access to the info pack, feel free to drop us a message. You can find us using our links that are on the screen right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.